Noong 2004 may pangarap na sinimulan. Sa puso ng araya, pag-asa'y isinilang. Isang tahanan ng paggaling at malasakit, kung saan bawat buhay ay tunay na mahalaga. Sa munting simula, may pananalig, paglilingkod ang naging daan at wika. Bawat hakbang, bawat panalangin, hatid ng pusong handang magpagaling. Sa bawat pagsubok na aming hinarap, hindi kami umatras, bagkus ay lumaban. Dahil sa bawat buhay na aming natulungan, mas tumibay ang aming dahilan. Araya Doctors Hospital, taas noon aming sigaw. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, kami nandyan sa bawat tawag. May puso, may husay, may malasakit. Sa bawat kamay, paggaling ay hatid. Sa sakit at saya, sa luhat tagumpay. Maglilingkod kami, kailanman hindi hihinto. Mula sa simpleng gamit hanggang makabagong lunas, kasabay ng panahon, kami patuloy na umasenso't lumakas. Doctors, nurses, staff, iisa ang hangarin. Kalusugan ng lahat, taos pusong alay namin. Sa tahimik na gabi, sa biglaang tawag, naroon ang tapang, ang malasakit ay ganap. Hindi lang ospital, kundi pamilya, kung saan ang paggaling ay nagsisimula. Bawat sakripisyo, bawat pagod, pinanday ng panahon ang aming laye. Sa gabay ng Diyos at pagkakaisa, isang matibay na pamana ang nabuo. Araya Doctors Hospital, taas noon aming sigaw. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, kami nandyan sa bawat tawag. May puso, may usay, may malasakit. Sa bawat kamay, paggaling ay hatid. Sa sakit at saya, sa luha at tagumpay. Maglilingkod kami, kailanman hindi hihinto. Sa bawat pasyenteng aming niyakap, ang inyong kwento'y mananatiling bakas. Sa bawat silid, sa bawat hakbang, ang pag-asa'y patuloy na sumisigla. At sa bukas na aming haharapin, mas matatag, mas handa, mas may paninindigan. Kasama ang komunidad, sabay-sabay sa paggaling ng bayan, kami kaagapay. Araya Doctors Hospital, aming karangalan. Mula sa mas maliwanag na bukas. Arayat Doctors Hospital, kasama ninyo ngayon at magpakailanman.
Back in 2004, a dream was born in a riot's heart with hope each morn. A place of healing, faith so strong, where caring hands would right the wrongs. With humble halls and visions clear, serving lives year after year. Every cry, every prayer, every stand, guided by healing hearts and hands. Through trials faced and nights so long, we stood our ground, we stayed so strong. With every life we've touched along the way, our purpose shines brighter every day. Araya Doctors Hospital, we rise, a beacon of hope before our eyes. From then to now, we proudly stand, serving with heart, with skill, with hand, through every storm, through joy.
Congratulations, ADH. ADH has always been part of my nursing career, thanks to Dr. Cesar and Dr. Joy. Greetings from Canada. Thank you. Bye, guys.
Congratulations, ADH, Doc Cesar, and Dr. Joy on this another milestone. I am proud po to have once been part of your team and to witness the continuous progress of your hospital. God bless po and more power.
Congratulations po, Dr. Joy and Dr. Machas. More power. And I love ADH.
We love ADH from Laksamana Pediatric Clinic. Fighting!
Hello, Dr. Joy, Dr. Matias. Congratulations to ADH Hospital. More power.
Hello, alright, Doctors Hospital. Hi, Dr. Joy, Dr. Matias. ADH baby here. I love ADH, alright, Doctors Hospital. Good luck, congratulations, and God bless. Greetings from California, USA. Love you guys all. I love ADH Hospital. Alright, Doctors Hospital.
Hello guys, ADH baby here. Hello Doc Cesar and Dr. Joy. How are you? Congratulations and more powers. God bless you all. I love ADH from California, USA.
Hi! I love Arayat Doctor Hospital. Greetings from UAE. I love ADH from UAE.
I love ADH! Greetings from Norway!
I love ADH. Greetings from Canada.
I love ADH.
My warmest congratulations to Dr. Cesar and Dr. Joy, my dear former colleagues, and to all the wonderful and dedicated staff of Arayat Doctors Hospital. ADH is always going to have a special place in my heart, and I am forever grateful. It is where my career as a nurse started, where I was nurtured and shaped. Greetings from London, sending you all love. God bless you all.
I love ADH. Greetings from the prairie of Alberta, Canada.
I love ADH. To Dr. Joy and Doc Cesar Machas, and to the whole ADH family, congratulations.
I love ADH from Singapore.
Congratulations, alright, Doctors Hospital. I heart you.
I love you, ADH!
Greetings from
Wait!
It's my pleasure to extend my warmest congratulations to Arayat Doctors Hospital. May this institution be a light of health, hope, and healing to the entire community. And I'm proud to say that I am a product of Arayat Doctors Hospital. And once again, congratulations and more power. I love ADH.
I love Arayat Doctors Hospital from Singapore.
I love ADH. Greetings from UK.
Hello, Arayat Doctors Hospital. I'm one of the ADH original babies, and I'm proud to be. I love ADH. God bless.
Oh, kala nyo, mini-mini Doc Cesar, no? Kidding aside, hello to all my dear former colleagues and the entire team of ADH. To those who don't know me, I'm JC. I had a very memorable experience in ADH. I also learned so much from Dr. Joy's meticulous attention to detail and Dr. Cesar's incredible organizational skills. These qualities have become the foundation of how I did and how I work today as a nurse administrator. From the land of the two holy most kingdom of Saudi Arabia, I want to say I love ADH. It will always have a very special place in my heart. So felicitations on the inauguration of the beautiful new building. Masalama or goodbye in Arabic.